Hello, my name is Pallavi, and I'm going to start with my previous early years journey. I am talking about here. I found many of distractions in my journey. That time I was with the previous 2 or 3 years, and I tried myself. There is many of things I did. Means many of things that achieved are where I learned English speaking fluently. I learned many of skills, but that from that I wanna share you only these things. Means I can able to speak right now, but I was not able to speak earlier, previous. I never ever dared to face everyone. Why? Means while I'm speaking in English, that time I was very nervous on that time. Means I was some sweats formed in my face, and I thought, what will happen in the next hours. So let me tell you all. I will not tell you these things. I already write my journey in two diaries. Means here is a one already finished, and I just put there is a second diary that already I wrote my everyday. Means which I want to speak when I'm going to speak with you. So early day I already wrote in my diary that story that I want to tell you. There are many topics I've written here in that, and already see, you can see here there is a last page already finished, and this diary also already finished. Means there is also I already wrote some parts here, and see, you can see here is my last page, and just I take my second diary, and this is also finished. So both diary also finished when I started to write my journey, means previous year journey. So I want to tell you many of thoughts that like I want to speak English. I want to learn speaking in English. But when I asked to my husband, means I want to join any classes, but they did not, means they didn't help to me. Like means they just only said to me, you found by yourself, and you do what you do want to do. You tried by myself. I searched many of classes before, and when I searched in my city, I searched it, and but there was a pandemic. Means I learned this one previous 1 year, and there was a pandemic situation. Means there before 2 year there was a pandemic situation. Means never opened anything. Previous 1 year also never opened because of pandemic. So I tried to take it online. So I found many of classes from Facebook, from Google search, from in my city that I already joined one group, city group I joined. So I found classes in that group also. So I tried to join demo classes, but when I joined 2 or 3 demo classes for different English classes. So I joined many, not many, only 2 demo sessions I joined for different 2 classes. When I was joined for one class, there was a teacher, male teacher, and he was already saying like, see, this is a course, and this is this type of course. You have to do all these things, and we will give to you those things, and you have to do this course for those days, and this is the fee. So most of the fees, it greater than 4,000, means it's near about 4 to 6,000. But I thought, means you can see, you can listen me properly. I thought, why I cannot do for myself, because I want to learn, I want to speak, and that teacher, they will not help to me after that, after 4 months. So why I cannot do for myself? So I tried by myself. Means another, I'm going to speak with you another second demo session. There is a female ma'am, and there is a ma'am female, and when I joined her session, means I got motivated from her. Because of her, means they are not giving to you are really very trying, Pallavi, like that. She was not saying like that, but she, when she talked to me, I tried by myself, and I talk with her with proper sentences, with a nice sentences, with no grammatical mistake. When I talk with her in a chatting, so I thought I had not any grammatical mistake. Means I am going in a proper manner. So why I cannot speak by myself with fluently? So I joined her. Miss They had given to me two demo sessions free. So I joined that free demo session, and I motivated by her. Means because of I didn't have any grammatical mistakes, and I also talked with her with the proper sense. Means I was talking with her slowly, but talking with her with a nice fluency. So somewhat I just took pauses of this, and now and that those days I was really totally I was in. Means I was in speaking I was in speaking skills also. Means those days I only learned many things. Means I already improved my listening skills before joining any classes, but I never joined because I only I only uh, because when I trust to others, I trust her. But there was something kind of there was not 100% guarantee that that I could able to speak English or not. But I tried by myself. There was already I learned many listening skills. Means whenever someone is speaking with you, your listening skills how to greater, means how to nice, means you have to improve your listening skills first. If you are going through in this journey of speaking skills, so you need to learn your listening skills properly, because this is very much important for all. This is a very boon for us. Listening don't know opposite person is talking with us, so we don't know the language of him or her. We are not getting those words properly. We are telling like, what ma'am, what you are speaking, I don't understand. So please improve your listening skills first. Never late. Try to be understand, try to be listen properly with a nice skills. So where to improve it, where to be used, means where to improve your listening skills. My journey, I learned listening skills from, means I just found many of series. So I found one nice series which I like most. Means there was a one familiar grammatical series. So I joined, not joined, I regularly, I daily I regularly watching that series, and after that I just mimicry like I use that mimicry like. Means when I listen those words, I try to those words in out. So I tried, and already my learning skills, my listening skills was improved, and my speaking skills here, but my listening skill was there. Hmm? And my speak right, I want to this speaking skills is near to by listening skills. I want to improve in that level. So what should I do for that? I learn daily 2 or 3 words, not more than 3 words, and I try to use that words in a regular daily conversations when I talking with Ahan, when I talking with Ahan's papa in our family. But opposite person, they are talking with me only in our mother tongue. But I never stop. I talk only them in English. I tried my these steps with a continuously, and most of the case, we found many of most of the people they're trying the way, but there was some any distractions, and some opposite person never to talk with properly with them. So I was also in distractions, and I was also in demotivation. But anywhere, man, miss I my funda is what, if you want to learn anything, so you just give your 100% to these things, and you never give up, you never stop these things. So I tried my listening skills, I improved my listening skills, and after that when I spoke those words, I tried to speak those words also and trying to making sentences easily. And I used in a regular conversation means when uh, I learned many of conversation like morning. So what should we have to do? And I had a doubt about where to use have, where to use has. So I already cleared that, and I had many of doubts using should, could, and would. There are three words I had many of doubts. So I found this thing first because already cleared in a can word, and many of words are already cleared, and many of things I had done because of my grammar was nice. But sometimes I just when I talking with you, sometimes there was a mistake. But this is not a thing because this is a speaking skill, so there is many of words by mistakenly comes in our tongue. So that's why it was maybe by mistaken. So don't be matter, don't take it wrong. And and I want to tell you that I found three or five numbers. It's near about five numbers I wrote in my diary. Those who know about English, who know speaks very well English. So I found five names. So I wrote in my diary. There are my four friends and two sisters. So I wrote in that in my diary, and I called to from that five I called to two-person. Means alternately in a 5 days I called to them alternately. When I called one call to one, so second day I called to other person. Means in that case our speaking that can regular to continue. So I tried by myself, and most of the and in my case in my say in my situation, there was a very funny there was very funny when I talked with them. When I talk with first time with my sister, there is a cousin like sister, means my neighbor. That her name is Shweta Didi. When I called to her, she motivated to me. She were motivated to me and tried to speak like that. Pallavi, try by yourself. You can do it. So I tried by myself, and I talked with her with any topic, means regular topic, not any topic. But in the second day when I called to my sister, her name is Gita, and when I called to her, uh, we decided means I tried to her. I called when I talked with her, it's near about 1 or 1.5 hour regular. Means there was a many of gaps in that. There was many pauses in our conversation, but there was like confidence level. We have to I have to improve my confidence level. I have to boost my confidence level. So I tried. I go this way, and I talk with them, means Gita and Shweta Didi, Gita Didi and Shweta Didi. I talk sometimes to three call to her, and another three call to her, like three calls only. And I boost my confidence in only those six calls, only six calls. And after that I called my one friend Rajika, that her name Rajika. She was in pandemic situation, and she is in her room that time. She was in her room that time. She never talked with really to speak, but talked with her minimum 5 minutes. We talked with each other minimum 5 minutes. And after that I called to my one best friend Manisha. But all happened all these things, but previously when doesn't happen all these things, I called to her previously. First I called to her, and I tried to talk with her. I already told to her like, see, I want to learn speaking skills, and can you teach me regular or alternately as per your convenience. So she talked with me that on Zoom call, not on WhatsApp video call. We talked to each other, and after a 5 year, means after 5 to 6 years, we talked to each other on phone. And she told me, okay, Pallavi, I will take your class. Not class, I will take your 1 or 2, 3 sessions. So you decide, or I will tell you when I will be available on that time. So she was available for one session, but that time wasn't me. Means was not available by my side. So I never our conversation also not proper in that case. So I tried my another way. I went to my another way. So I called to those persons that can I able to speak with them. I'm comfortable with them. I was comfortable with them, and I talked with all my friends. Not friends. There was only 6 call. I had my boost my confidence. So that's the journey. And right now, see, you can see me, I'm speaking very well right now, and when I telling to you my story, this is very nice. This is very amazing. This was very amazing. I enjoyed a lot. But when I achieved my speaking fluency, my confidence level, I just fly on a sky. Like was my situation in that time. Right now I am normal, but when I talk with anyone, when I speak with anyone, that time I was in a flying sky like that. So, and let me tell you one thing again. There was in between I was already able to talk, but in between I means I was many lack of confidence. I never speak after that. Means I tried, I know everything, and I talk with not talk with everybody. I'm not talking with everyone at house right now. We are not talking with each other. But that time I followed for 15 days, for 10 to 15 days, and for 6 call I called to them only. Means that Shweta Didi I called to her only 10 to 15 minutes, and for Gita Didi I called to her like 45 minutes or 1 hour. I tried to call with them. I tried to talk with them. But after that, I again lack my confidence level down. Means that confidence level already getting me in a down level. So I tried. Means I just I learned a lot, but I never use my skills anywhere. So I'm totally blank. So I tried to decide why I cannot open my channel on YouTube, because I want to give my all teaching skills to another person, and I like to teaching way. So that's why I want to learn. Now many of persons are lacking their of confidence, are giving they are giving a very much they are trying, but they never give up. They are trying, but there is many distraction, and there is a lack of confidence. So see guys, when we start to anything, we have to start first, right? We have to start first, then you can find what will happen in a second. After that, when situations comes, then after that I decided why I cannot open my YouTube channel. If you want to teach, if I want to teach other people in online also, but I want to teach on YouTube also. So mainly that so our was not decided it. Means once decide ki I want to add those my English speaking skills on motivation, like I have to add these videos also, but I want to add many of more. So in that situation, when I saw my status on WhatsApp, that time most of the means it's near about 80 to 85%, it's near about 80 to 85% ladies are getting nervous, was getting nervous, really. Means I'm really telling you these things, because I already put my status like positive way, and are regularly doing these things, because for me, for achieving myself also, and to motivate for myself also. So that's why I'm putting those status like positive status. But many of many of ladies, many of not ma- only ladies in my contact right now. So most of the ladies is near about 8 to 85% ladies. when i watch um, when I watch their status, so that was very negative. Like उसने ये किया तो हमें ये करना चाहिए, उसने वो किया तो हमें ये करना चाहिए, किसी से बात ना करो तो ही अच्छा, उससे बात नहीं की ना तो ही अच्छा चलेगा. Okay, means so it will get that negativity spreads up. They are not they are not talking like that. Means if we have to improve by yourself, so you need to motivate by yourself, because you are the very important part in your improvement. You तूच जिम्मेदार आहे तुला, कारण की कुणीही सॉल्व्ह करायला येत नाही तुमचा प्रॉब्लेम, तुम्ही जिम्मेदार असतात. हा आले आई. So this is the thing which you have to improve by yourself. Sorry for that, I was used many of Marathi words and I used Hindi words because I want to that was my language. Marathi is my language and Hindi is our national language, so I use those sentences. So sorry for that, because our we are talking in English and we have to improve our English skills. So that's why I just put all these English word in there, and we all we we have to learn many skills in English. So but I want to, there was in English sentences there is a no sensation, they are not giving any sensation. So there was my feelings. If you saw my Hindi sentences and if you saw my Marathi sentences, so you just find out by myself, there was my feelings. So try to be understands. सगळ्या गोष्टींना ना तुम्हीच जिम्मेदार असतात, कुणी नसतं. आपण दुसऱ्यांना जिम्मेदार ठरवत असतो. बट जे आजूबाजूला आपल्या एन्व्हायरमेंट मध्ये असतात ते आपल्याला मदत करण्यासाठी असतात. मीन्स ते चांगल्या वेळी आपल्याला बोलतात, ते आपल्या जवळचेच आहेत, ते आपल्या दूरचे नाही आहेत. ते जवळचे असल्यामुळे आपल्याला चांगल्या गोष्टी सांगत असतात. सो तुम्ही त्यांचं चांगल्यासाठी म्हणून पॉझिटिव्ह घ्या, निगेटिव्ह नका घ्या. मला एवढंच म्हणायचंय. सो आय जस्ट लर्न एव्हरीथिंग फ्रॉम एव्हरीवेअर, अँड वेअर आय गॉट निगेटिव्ह साईड, where I turn negative side, I learn more things from my environment also. Because when they never had to me, I tried more, again more. Means I achieved myself. I never stop anywhere. So what is the part? कुणाला फायदा झाला? कुणाला? तुम्हालाच ना? Like so you need to improve by yourself. Nobody help to you. Just you only can help to you. Sorry for pause because I'm taking my evening tea right now. And thanks to my mother-in-law, she helped me a lot most of the time. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye bye.